Hello everyone. Today our topic is from the geography portion, that is environment. The word environment, it originates from the French word environ, which means neighborhood. Environment, which means neighborhood. So everything that is around us, it constitutes of environment. And you can see around yourself, you will see a variety of things, and that you can classify it into natural environment and man-made environment. And the natural environment, it consists of two components, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic, abiotic. Biotic means living things. Abiotic means non-living things. So some of the examples of these biotic components are plants, animals and microorganisms, and some of the examples of these abiotic components are land, water and air. And the human-made environment, it consists of all the things that are being made by the human beings. For example, road, car, buses, electricity. These are the examples of the human-made environment. So let us quickly go to the natural environment. Everything that is around us and are not being made by the humans, that is called natural environment. For examples like land, water, air, these are the examples of the natural environment. And it can be broadly classified into various domains, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. So lithosphere. Lithosphere is the hard top layer of the Earth's surface, and it is also called as hard crust. It is also called as hard crust. This lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered by soil. And the landforms of this lithosphere are mountains, valley, plateau, etc. And this lithosphere, it provides us forests, land for agriculture and land for human settlement. And the next one is hydrosphere. This is that part of the earth which is covered with water. It includes all the water bodies like ocean, river, seas, lake, etc. And water is essential for all the living organisms. Next one is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. And this atmosphere, it is a mixture of gases. The changes in the atmosphere, it affect the weather and climate. And this atmosphere, it also works as a shield for the earth, as it protects the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, and the next one is biosphere. Biosphere means the living world. It includes the animal kingdom and plant kingdom. And under this domain, Under this biosphere domains, the air, land and water, they interact with each other in order to support life. So the next topic we'll learn is about the how human beings interact with the environment. Human being interaction with the environment. Okay, so like the animals, we the human being also interacts with the environment. Thousands of years back, we the human being live a simple life like the wild animals. They used to kill the animals for food and ate fruits, nuts, leaves and all the forest product. So, and also they used to animal skins and bark of the trees to cover their body. And after the invention of the wheel and steam engine, it revolutionized the system. And after the invention of this, all the things, we the human beings, we came to know how to use the natural environment, how to use the raw materials or the minerals. So we, the human beings, they started exploiting the resources more and more. Okay. So the next one is human interaction and effects on environment. So out here we'll know the effect, how human interactions affects the environment. The first one is pollution. Industries, smokes and burning of leaves, plastics, and it causes air pollution. And excessive use of chemicals in the industries and fertilizers and pesticides for agriculture, and it causes soil, it causes water pollution. So all these human activities, it causes contaminations of both air and water. So if we breathe the pollutant air and if we drink the contaminated water, it will harm our body. It affects our body. And next one is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. In the present world today, loads of trees are being cut down. Why? Because there is a demand of paper and wood products in the market. If the trees are being cut down for making buildings and for agricultural process, the environment will lose a major producers of oxygen, and also it will affect the wildlife and the tribal peoples and the people who really depend upon the forest product for their daily needs. As members of the human environment, we should take care of our nature and the natural resources, and we should not exploit them or we should not overconsume. A balance should be there in order to live better life on the earth. So for today's topic is up to this much, and if you have any doubt, please do let me know, and till then stay safe. See you in the next class.